the construction of the overpass that will connect the two parts of Awka that's coming from Ifite across over the expressway to that of Amenyigia's side. It has commenced in earnest, and this is the site of that construction. If you know that step, this is where we call step then. Yes, the overpass is going to come with a walkway. The MD, Chief Executive Officer of ACDA, said it. We visited him not quite long ago. So he said it, and when I checked the map or the design of that overpass, I still saw the walkway. This is a good one, and I want to believe that the governor will still remember that of Regina Cheli. Yes, for the governor to remember this and decided to do that project means a lot. It means that the governor and his cabinet members, they have that zeal to work. And you know that such city projects also falls under the purview of the ACDA. ACDA is involved in such projects happening within Awka Capital Territory. So now we are going to give you some explanations. Like I said, we are moving along Enugu-Onitsha expressway within Awka, so that you can understand the direction of where we are going. Well, just for a refresher to many of us, I'm going to lay out some importance of constructing this overpass so that we can move along with what the governor and his cabinet are doing in Anambra State. Well, I say that constructing an overpass in a city like Awka provides several important benefits. The number one benefit is traffic flow improvements. Overpass facilitate the smooth flow of traffic by allowing vehicles to pass over intersections or congested areas without interruptions. This helps to reduce traffic congestions and improve overall transportation's efficiency. Usually at Aroma flyover, I don't know if you have been met with traffic there. If you run into traffic that place, you understand what I'm talking about. That is if you take the underground. If you are flying over the Aroma, there is no issue. I've not seen any issue there. But if by mistake you jam traffic under Aroma flyover, you will hate it. So this overpass at Ifite that crosses over the Enugu-Onitsha expressway onto the other side of Awka is helping to decongest that Aroma flyover. That is the major purpose, and I've been saying this thing before now. When I did video on Awka, I said it about 2 or 3 times in my video that the place needs an overpass, and Regina Cheli also. So, but at that, even if there is no congestion at Aroma, it still calls on us to have a overpass there, because in future, if it doesn't occur now, the traffic will still occur in future. So, but now there is need to have that overpass, and lo and behold, the governor is taking the bull by the horn to construct an overpass there. So this is Aroma Junction. Yes, another benefit of having an overpass is that it enhances safety. Overpass contributes to improved road safety by eliminating the need for vehicles to cross busy intersections. This reduces the risk of accidents especially those involving conflicting movement at ground level. Also, we talk about pedestrian safety. Overpass often include pedestrian walkways, just like I said, that this one is coming with walkways. So overpass often come with pedestrian walkways or bridges, providing a safe way for pedestrians to cross busy roads without interacting with vehicular traffic. This enhances pedestrian safety and encourages walking in urban environments. So now we are at the spot of the overpass construction. They are trying to do some clearing of the area, shifting of the electric pole and stepping it down, and a whole lot of work they want to engage before the actual engineering work on the overpass. Yes, it's good to let you know that the company that is handling this project is GELD. GELD is the company constructing the Government House Road and some other road, probably in Onitsha and other places. Yes, overpass helps in efficient intersections management. As for efficient intersection management, at that aroma, many people may not actually understand the construction that happened there. It has two openings. That flyover has two openings. So the right way to consider that flyover and the openings is to assume that opening is a roundabout. It's a big roundabout there, and that is what it's supposed to be. If you are coming down from Enugu side, you have to move down to the second hole under that flyover, and that maybe you are going to Amenyi side, you follow it, turn, face as if you are going to Enugu, then you divert right. That should be the actual movement of that Roma. Then if you are going to Secretariat, that's coming from a Thames side, you have to follow the second turn and turn. Just assume that that place is a roundabout, and actually that is the way it is supposed to be, just like I said. So I hope that you are looking around. This is the situation of this place, but something made me to talk about that aroma. Looking at it as a roundabout, that place also has so many link road. You talk of the Secretariat Road, you talk of the one coming from Ifite, you talk of the new Government House Road, all has intersections there. So with this overpass now, is going to decongest to a large extent that area. So that is the plan of the government. That is what I think that made them to enter that project. Well, let's move down a bit, inside this road and see how it looks like. I have not been here for over 20 years. I came to this place, so I can't remember when last I visited here. Honestly speaking, it's over 20 years. So I'm glad to be here, and I wish to move down a bit into this road as if I'm going to that Amenyi side. Just a little movement there, we'll see how that place looks like, because the road is going to pass through there into the other major road. That is the plan. So, but before then, let's keep doing our explanation on overpass. So the thing we can see here is diggings. There are diggings at each side of the road. You see like three diggings done by excavator. Then the other side too. That is what is happening now. So, but however, I said I wish to move inside a bit. So we are moving inside here. The road is going to pass through here. So very soon, this place is going to be very busy area. Very, very busy area. Well, we are going to do another video about what the managing director and the chief executive of Awka, what he said about. You remember he said it about keeping 4 feet away from the drainage system. I hope to do a special video on that so that we can move around and explain that to the general public. Honestly, that has been an issue, and it seems like many people in Anambra State don't obey that law. Sometimes if you want to do some things, you ask questions so that you don't fall into the hands of the government. If there is a law on that, it means that so many people have disobeyed that law. And if government comes tomorrow with their caterpillar, they have the right to demolish anything that flouted the laws of the government. So that is the implication. So this is the road. Here you are coming out from Aroma. From here. Then there you are going to Old Road. You bust out at Amenyi. That's Old Road, Enugu-Onitsha. Old Road. So like I said, over 20 years I have not been here. So I'm glad to see all these places once again. So let's move back to where we are coming from and go to the other side of the expressway and see what they are doing that side. So as we are going to the other side to see what they are doing, let's keep our explanations coming. Then another important benefit of having this overpass is the economic benefit. Overpasses can stimulate economic activities by improving accessibility to businesses and commercial areas. By the time this overpass is done and dusted, it facilitates movement of people in doing their businesses. That is the ease of doing business. It guarantees that moving around this area is guaranteed. So this is the Anambra State Urban Water Access Holding Corporation. That's the water corporation. Yes, I said it the other time, the governor wants to rehabilitate all the moribund water scheme. Well, since I've remembered they have office here, maybe one of these days we are going to visit to know what is going on. Then another important point is time savings. Overpasses reduce travel times for motorists by providing a direct route over congested areas. This time-saving benefit is valuable for commuters and contributes to increase productivity in a state. I usually say this thing that states like Anambra should not joke with their roads. In fact, Anambra is supposed to have all the roads in a very good condition. I'm not saying that the present governor will do everything. Of course, he's trying his best. He cannot do everything. That is very, very sure. So, but anybody that is the governor must, as a matter of importance, always give attention to anything that will affect commercial activities of the state, of which Anambra is known to be. Then we'll talk about the next one, infrastructure integration. Overpasses can be part of a broader infrastructure plan, integrating with other transportation modes such as railway or BRT, bus rapid transit. It's only in Lagos that this BRT is working in Nigeria. So, but very probably with time, the Anambra State government has to adopt this BRT. You know, some states are banning keke in their places. When they ban these kekes will find their way into Anambra, some of them. So, but let's see that what happens. And you know, BRTs always have a dedicated lane. It's always functional where you have, you know, spacious road and a space to carve it out for them. Well, let's proceed. So now, as you can see, we have crossed over to the other side and we are having a view of what is happening from the top of that Aroma Road. Well, as we are having the view, let's quickly touch the last point concerning this importance of overpass that we are talking about. Yes, the construction of an overpass will improve air quality. That is the air we breathe. Let me explain. Smoother traffic flow resulting from overpasses can contribute to improved air quality. Reduced congestion and idling time for vehicles can help minimize air pollution, benefiting both the environment and the public health. You can see how it helps. You know, when both vehicles are trapped, you know, they tend to fume and a lot of carbon dioxide is being released in the air. And what you get is bad air. People will be breathing bad air. So overpass helps the area to be decongested, where vehicles will just come and move and go to wherever it's going. Well, in summary, the constructing of overpasses in a city is essential for enhancing traffic flow, safety, and overall urban mobility. It contributes to a more efficient and livable urban environment, of which the governor is talking about, and he is doing something towards achieving a livable urban and rural environment through the construction of this overpass, addressing the challenges associated with growing population and increasing traffic demands. Well, this is also bringing it to the notice of the general public that construction is going on here. Probably just the introductory part of it, that's clearing the site. But vehicles or motorists have to be very careful while passing through this place, even though for now the movement is not disturbed. But just for information's sake, anybody that is driving through this place for now has to be very careful. Probably they might decide to close up one section of the road. Until they are done with one section, they can move over to the other one. I don't know how they are going to do it, but mine is to give you updates. This place is Ifite. This road now, if you follow it, you move down to Ifite. The other side is Bishop Court by the right side. and the left side is Aroma Farms. So that is it. Well, if you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, please click on the subscription button, the notification bell. Let's hear your view about this video. Like this video and please don't forget to share it. Let people be updated. Until I come your way next time, I'm still chilling to your present. I say bye for now.